job. I never knew what was going to happen with my life. Selling vacuum cleaners door to door. I apologize if I bothered it. Okay. But anyway, one time I was down in Elliott and I went to this young couple's house, and of course the first thing you're supposed to do when you come to somebody's house is you're supposed to compliment them on something, you know, and especially compliment the wife, because you want to get on her good side so she'll convince the husband to sell you the vacuum cleaner. Well, this one couple had a big, huge white Bible sitting right on their coffee table. And I said, "Wow, nice Bible." And the husband looked at me, he said, "Yeah, it sure is. You ever read it?" And I said, "Well, yeah, you know, here and there." And he said, "Well, let me show you a couple of things." Well, I walked out of their house that night after getting on my knees and praying to Jesus Christ to save my soul. It wasn't exactly what I was expecting. I went in there to sell them something and they sold me something much more valuable. Yeah. But my life has been quite an adventure since then, and not long after that I went to Mississippi and ended up going to college in Mississippi. So if you can imagine a boy from North Berwick going down to Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Yeah. They thought I was a foreign student.
Are you running it right now?
Yeah. Okay. But right down the street from the college was a church that was mostly African Americans. We went to church there, and I got to go there a couple of times with some friends, and I just loved the music there. And this is one of the songs that I heard, and when I made my most recent CD, I said, you know, I got to include that on there. It's called "Stayed On Freedom."
And we invite you to sing along.
If you know it, feel free.
You know this.
Remember that part? I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on freedom. I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on freedom. I woke up this morning with my mind stayed on freedom. Hallelujah.